Welcome to this expanded class on organizing your portfolio. If you've already taken my previous class on portfolio organization system, this will be a great addition to refine your workflow. If you haven't taken my first class yet, I encourage you to take it, as it sets up the foundations of a very strong portfolio organization system that is especially designed for Surface button designers. Also, because this class would be the second part of that class. I'll leave you the link below so you can easily access it. In case that you don't know me yet, I am Beatriz Pascual and I am a Surface button designer from Spain. I developed this portfolio organization system after realizing that it's essential to have a well-structured system that allows you to easily save and track your designs, including a database that provides you with all the necessary fields to include the descriptive attributes of the designs, turning it into a powerful tool for organizing, filtering, searching, and saving time. The database I made is built with Airtable, and this class is focused on this amazing tool. I am using the free version of Airtable. Alright, so I've made some updates to my system by adding new columns that help keep everything structured and easy to navigate. In these lessons, I'll walk you through these new additions and explain how they can make your portfolio even more efficient. I'll guide you step by step through the setup, showing you how to integrate these columns into your existing system. By the end of these lessons, you'll have a clearer, more organized portfolio that saves you time and keeps your projects on track. Now let's break down the new columns I've added to supercharge your workflow. These aren't just random fields. They are designed to help you categorize, track, and leverage your designs smarter. The changes we are about to implement are a global pattern group column, hexadecimal color code columns with automation for color names, and automatic columns for the number of colors and parent folder groups. Think of them as your portfolio's new best friends. Let's get started.